Hi guys, good morning. Please watch the whole video. It's a time lapse to see how I have finished this drawing. Even though it's a time lapse, it's enough for you to follow. So you can use this pencil drawing for a drawing competition. So what happens when I used to be in school, we had a lot of drawing competitions like pencil drawing and coloring competitions, and I loved pencil drawing, and I always participated in pencil drawing competitions, and I have won a lot of competitions by drawing pencil drawings, and I'm very passionate. So it's after a very long time I'm trying this one. There's a story behind this drawing. So I always love drawing huts, and I visited New Zealand recently. When I say recently, I'm currently in New Zealand, and there are huts or houses built on the side of rivers, but they are not on the land. They are elevated on wooden poles, so that if the water rises, the hut or the house will still be protected. So this is similar to that. So you can see this house is standing on wooden poles on side of a river. And there's a small hill in the front. You can see there's a coconut tree which I have added to it. So I'm basically from India and I love coconut trees. So I have added a coconut tree, and the leaves are pretty beautiful, and I love drawing coconut tree leaves. It blends into the drawing, and it creates a bit of character and texture with the pencil drawing effects in a coconut tree. So you can see that's why I add that coconut tree on the left side there, and you can see sometimes I rub with my finger. So what I use doing is currently, as I make the strokes with the pencil, it will be like lines or sharps. So I blend it or smudge it using my finger. So the skin rubs over the paper and the carbon is spread over it. So that drawing is very simple, one easy one. So if you have a drawing competition in your school, or if you want to just impress someone to do a drawing, you can use this drawing technique. I don't mind you guys using this drawing. It's not copyrighted or anything. This is my creativity, so this is very unique. You can't find it anywhere else. I just created in my own imagination. And I like that leaf. You can see in the left corner there is a big leaf which I have drawn. Yeah, it's beautiful. So I just put it in there. So behind the hut, you can see there is a tree. So it's there. Oh yeah, my son just came up and was telling me like the food is ready. So as I edit this video, it is like currently 9 p.m. at night, and it's a bit late for dinner. So what I'll do, I'll finish up the voiceover and go have my dinner. So I'm doing some basic shading, so I'm not complicating this one. I just want to make it very simple for you guys to follow. So initially I started by putting light colors. Light colors means light textures using the pencil, and then I'm using it, I swapped the pencil with a darker one to make it much more darker and to bring some character to the drawing. So I love smudging as I go forward, and you have to just experiment with your drawings. So I think you might love this one, but I really want you to add some more character to your drawing by your creativity. So you can do whatever you like. Maybe you can change the tree from there, or move the coconut tree from there. Maybe add another tree, or maybe you can reduce the size of that hut a little bit more, and maybe put some kids in front of there playing, or maybe doing fishing, or on the river behind you can put a kayak there, something like that. So be creative as you try it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put it in the comment section below. I'll definitely respond to it. I'm planning to actually do more and more pencil drawings for you guys. So I'm planning to specialize on pencil drawings and have more pencil drawings. So if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be getting a lot of tips and techniques on especially on scenery pencil drawings. Why I'm doing it? Because there are a lot of drawing competitions where sceneries and pencil drawings are used in the schools. So in the schools, kids can maybe look into this one and learn and improvise and improve on their drawing skills. So that's why I'm trying this. So please subscribe to my channel. Give it a thumbs up if you love it. Definitely ask